Okay, so now that you know the heart sound and the kidney sound and their respective moves, and you've learned how to breathe, let us put it all together. So please follow. So sitting, optionally put your hands on the belly, and let us breathe for a while. Feeling the lower part of the belly moving with your fingers if you're relaxing and doing the breathing correctly. Just letting go and observing the lower abdomen, observing the breath in the lower part of the belly. Relaxing the muscles. And with time, you may feel that your breath is slower, deeper. Don't panic, just relax and keep observing. So after around 5 minutes, let us do the heart sound, kidney sound 6 times each. Open the eyes, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shoot forward, inhale. Inhale. Last one, open. Inhale. And body scan down. Relaxing the face all the way down to your feet. Slowly exhaling. Suspending the head, coming back up straight. Observe the body. Observe the chest, the heart. Relax. Enjoy. Breathe in the belly naturally. And observe how you feel around the chest area, heart area. You may feel it feels good around that area. It may feel open, flowing. because these sounds clear the energy of the organs. Okay, now the kidney. Inhale. Bend forward, touch the kidneys. Press the feet, inhale. Slowly coming up, inhale. Relax down, melt the front of the body down, scanning each part one by one, flowing through them, all the way down to your feet, palms down. And to close, hands on the dantian. And observe, at first, the kidney area, the belly and the kidneys. Observe how you feel around the kidneys. Still breathing naturally in the belly. And continue to observe the whole body for as long as you like.